We're recording. We are recording, Dukes.
Wait, Doogie.
Doogie.
Stop recording yet. Wait till we're down there.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
Whoa. Oh my god, it's cool as fuck, dude.
Right here, right? Are we going right here? You want to go right here? Yeah, dude.
Wait, what are you doing? Alright, go. 8.9? Dude, wait, Chris. 8.9? Are you fucking
How do you think I feel? I don't want to hear anybody complain right now.
Chris.
You have to.
I'm gonna stand down there, dude. Run full speed and make it.
Yeah.
Wait, where are you going?
I'm gonna follow you. Ready?
Go!
Wait, where are we starting from?
Whatever you want.
This is your street, dude. Oh my god, it's cool as fuck. Dude, please hurry. Here. Oh my god, what the fuck?
Stay over here.
I got you on video.
This way.
Okay, you come back.
Go over there. Wait. All right. And you guys stay right here. Okay,
I got it.
Wait, I'm gonna do it too, because Chris will fuck it up.
Yeah, Chris will
like
fuck it up.
Yeah.
Go! Just do what you gotta do, man.
Oh.
Oh my god, dude.
Is he going?
Tell me when you're ready, man.
Oh my god. I've been recording this whole time, by the way. I got everything. Dude, I got you. Just fucking holy shit.
Right there.
It's fucking blizzard. What the fuck is Chris doing?
Doogie, do it already.
Oh, my hands are cold.
Oh my god.
Oh, he's gone.
Who the fuck? Wait, is that Chris way over there? Alright,
Yeah.
hold on. I can set this up.
Alright.
Dude, no. Are you fucking kidding me? Look, my phone's so out of focus. It's not even focusing.
Hold him up.
No, he's doing it. I will stop.
He wasn't doing it. Bare-ass naked. Oh my god, his feet must be so cold. Get him. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, my hands are cold.
I can't. I'm not even close to him. He's so far away. Hold on, I gotta get closer. Oh my god! How do you feel right now? Oh my god! Oh my god! It's so cold! It's so cold! I'm in a jacket! Dude, please, for the love